Rahim. Today I would like to tell about the flaws or the mistakes in writing the research article. My name is Sarfraz Rahman. I am a PhD scholar in the Department of Parasitology, and this knowledge actually have collected from the reference like the internet sources. Please subscribe my channel and also push the button of bell icon like you can see in this picture. So next is an original research article. Actually, this original research article means that the research article which is totally consists of the information of your research findings you have done during your degree or after the degree of the PhD or MPhil. So this is the original research article, and it consists of these following components, and like the title of the research article, abstract, introduction, material methods, results, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, conflict of interest, funding source, and last one is the references. So the flaws during writing the research article, and first thing is that you should have the command in English grammar, like use of tenses and use of articles, use of helping verb, and spelling mistake. It is very important that you should don't do the spelling mistake, because when you are scholar, when you are a researcher, and it is considered not good when you are doing the spelling mistakes. And next thing is the novelty. Novelty mean you have new things in your research article, but how can you find that this one is the novelty? It is important that you should read the previous research article, and you can search that you have the findings that it is consistent the finding in your the previous studies or not. Next one, this one is the proverb that the haste makes waste. Mean that when you are writing the research article, you should try to focus that each sentence, not go for speed work or not go for hurried work. It is important. And many times reading the research article, when you have completed your research article, it is important you should read the research article. And when you other thing is the exact statistical tool, mean that you have found the good results, and but you are not have command, and you have not have good knowledge about statistical tool. So it is important that you should read about which statistical tool will be applied on your findings. And next thing is proofreading of your paper, means that when you have completed your research article, then it is important that you should to your supervisor and give him the research article, and he will read your research article. It means that it is the proofreading. Sampling methodology, it is important when you are going to do the sampling purpose. You should have the knowledge which sampling methodology will be applied for your research. And next thing is to try to make the sketch of the study. It is important that when you are writing the research article, you should give a sketch of the study. It will helpful for the reviewer to understanding your the research about your findings. Background abstract, it consists of the background, methods, results, discussion. Introduction should be relevant, and it is important that the last paragraph is the objective of the study. And material and methods, it consists of catalog number of the chemicals which you are using during your research, and the techniques that can be used in the material methods research. It is important that it should be clear, elaborative, pics, crop, and discussion. It is the difficult part, need hard work. First 3 to 5 lines should consist of the brief of your study. Then it is important that you should compare your study. Conclusion, just it consists of 2 to 3 lines about the conclusion, and also mention the future perspectives. So during the flaws during writing the research article, and it is important that you are putting the references, but they are not in a good formatted. Mean it consists misformatted, uncited or unlisted, incomplete references. Mean you are putting the references, but you are not putting the references according to the guidelines of the journal in which you are submitting your research article. The scope of the journal according to your research article, it is also important that you are submitting your research article in the animal journal, but your research article is relevant to the human, so it is not the scope of the journal. Unexpected abbreviation, when you are using a lot of abbreviation in your research article, it is not good. Using the scientific writing, not the English writing, and misformatting the paper. It is also important that the paper should be according to the guidelines of the journal. And irrelevant information, it is also important that please don't put the irrelevant information in your research article, like you are writing the research article about babesiosis, but you are putting the information about virus, bacteria or other organism. It is the irrelevant information. Oversimplification, when you are writing the research article, you should write the sentence not like the metric level. You should write the sentence at higher education level. You are using the, if you are using inaccurate phrases or words, try to avoid the inaccurate phrases. Anthropomorphism means that you are showing the over exaggeration, means that you are putting your research and you are showing the over excitation. And poor proof reporting of findings. You during your research you have the good findings, but you are not reporting the good manners. Need hard work. Use an appropriate software. If the paper is rejected, don't lose heart. Next time, focus on its improvement. It is important. Thank you so much.